Just heading out for my second dose of the vaccine. I've already had my first dose with absolutely no side effects. However, I'm feeling a little bit apprehensive about the second dose as there are reports of a lot of people having side effects after the second dose. And I really do not want to feel sick as I have a busy couple of days coming up. But I plan to keep you all updated over the next 44 hours about the goings on and how I'm feeling over the next 2 days. The vaccine I am going to receive is the Covishield, since the first dose was also from Covishield. COVID-19 vaccine shot number 2 just done. It was quite a quick affair. This time, unlike the last, we did not have to wait for half an hour after the vaccine. Couple of minutes and we were out. The evening of the vaccination day went on without any untoward incident. In fact, I managed to have a very hard leg workout. To be honest, in between the hectic schedule I had that day, I even forgot to take my customary paracetamol after the vaccination. "24 hours in after the second dose of my COVID-19 vaccine, and as expected, I have no side effects until now. However, I would like to take this opportunity to have a little chat with my mother, Dr. Sushila Fonseca, who is a pathologist for the last 45 years and the founder of Dr. Fonseca's Pathology Laboratories, and take her opinion on what she feels about on the COVID-19 vaccine. So, Mama, how old are you?
Now that's asking. I am 70 years and 7 months old.
How was your experience of the vaccine?
Very good, very good. No complaints at all practically.
24 hours into the vaccine, do you have any side effects?
I had no side effects except a little soreness on the site of injection, but otherwise nothing. That is the first time. The second time, even that, there is nothing really.
Should people your age be taking this vaccine?
Definitely, it is. That's why it is being promoted for the elderly first, because we are more fragile at our age and we need more protection.
Thank you, Dr. Fonseca. 48 hours in and a zero side effects. I have with me my dad, a doctor who's been practicing for almost 60 years. He's better known around as Dr. C. Fonseca. Let us talk to him and get his opinion on what it feels like taking the COVID-19 vaccine. So, Papa, how old are you?
78 years.
How did it feel after the first dose of the vaccine?
The first day I didn't feel anything, but there was slight pain in the arm in the second and the third day. It afterwards it disappeared.
Did you have any fever?
No fever, absolutely.
So, how did it feel after taking the second dose of the vaccine?
I felt nothing absolutely. No pain in the arm, no headache, nothing.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. C. Fonseca. As a parting advice, would you tell people your age to encourage them to take the vaccine?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. What I would like to portray to you through this video is just like me and my family who has taken the COVID-19 vaccine, both the first and second dose, have had no serious side effects. In fact, if you are over the age of 60, it becomes even more important that you should volunteer yourself for the vaccine. If this video provided you with some value, please give me a like and please do share this video with many more people so that it can keep them informed, so that they can make an unbiased decision for themselves. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.